thank you for taking the time to come in and interview. I hope you found the way here easy.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to find. Thanks for having me.
Well, you seem to have a very impressive resume here, so I just have a few questions for you. One is, what qualifies you for this position?
Well, I have 5 years of aviation background, working on helicopters, working on turbine engines, and as well as inspecting airframes.
Okay, good. Yeah, very, very impressive. And what would you say is your biggest weakness?
I would have to consider myself a perfectionist. I have a hard time settling, doing some things, and making sure everything's absolutely perfect before moving on to my next project. So,
it's not too bad of a weakness there. Are you willing to spend at least 6 months in the training program?
yes, that's actually fine with me. I'd prefer to have that. It sort of gives me some time to, learn the procedures around here and become acquainted with the programs that you'll use on a daily basis.
Okay, that's good to hear. And let me ask, why did you choose the career path in which you're preparing for and applying for?
Well, I have a background in this field. I enjoy seeing the end result of projects I've completed, which in some jobs you really don't see that.
Right.
And I also love the challenges associated with mechanics and love working with my hands.
Okay. And, the environment here at Boeing can be a little stressful at times, so do you think that you can work well under pressure and with deadlines?
Yes, I work very well under pressure and with deadlines. I think it's a part of the challenge of the job that I enjoy. I've come to find out in this industry that there's a lot of things that usually don't go as planned, so you need to prepare yourself to have that extra time and spend extra time on some things.
Okay, fair enough. Well, that's all the questions I have for you. Did you want to ask me anything?
Yeah, I got a few for you.
Okay.
Well, what kind of person are you looking for this position?
Okay, well, we at Boeing, we're looking for someone that can think on their feet, someone that is willing to stay updated on the skills, techniques that go on here, and someone that really enjoys what they're doing.
I definitely enjoy aviation, so
I
that's me. Well, how would I be trained or introduced to the job?
Okay, well, first you would spend a few days watching training videos, just the basics. Then we would pair you with another employee who's in the same position for a few weeks to get you assimilated. After that, your supervisor will determine when you're ready to work by yourself and when and if you're ready to be promoted after that.
Okay, great. Just one more question. When was my predecessor promoted?
Okay, well, Mr. Corcoran was promoted a few weeks ago to the payload integration management position. He had been in the position that you're applying for about 2 years before we moved him up.
Okay. All right, well, that's all I have for you.
Okay, well, thank you very much for coming in, and we should be giving calls back in about a week, okay?
Thank you for your time.
Thanks.
Okay, all right.